Looking for the perfect personal blender to make smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks in seconds? We've rounded up the top 5 best personal blenders on Amazon that deliver powerful performance, convenience, and great value. Whether you're on a fitness journey or just want quick, healthy drinks at home, there's a perfect pick waiting for you. Be sure to check the product links in the description to see today's latest prices and learn more about each blender. Now let's jump into the countdown. Product 5, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Morning light spills across a kitchen before the day begins. A busy professional reaches for breakfast, already checking the clock. Nearby, a fitness bag waits beside fresh fruit and ice. One compact blender sits ready, small enough for any counter. With a press, 700 watts spring to life instantly. Pulse technology crushes ice, seeds, and tough ingredients effortlessly. Whole fruits disappear into a smooth, vibrant blend. Hidden nutrients and vitamins are extracted from every piece. Protein shakes, green smoothies, and frozen drinks come together fast. The blend happens directly inside the 16-ounce cup. Twist on the spout lid and the rush continues. On the commute, at the gym, or in the office, cleanup is easy. Parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. The compact Ninja Fit keeps pace with every demanding morning. Check out the product link in the description below. Product 4, Best Personal Smoothie Blender. Tiny kitchen, big cravings. Watch this blender steal the spotlight. Frozen berries drop in and the motor wakes like thunder. 1000 W power crushes ice, nuts, and fruit in seconds. Smooth, silky texture pours out. No gritty surprises, just perfection. 3 BPA-free cups keep every drink ready to travel. Blend breakfast, twist on a lid, and head out. From gym bags to office desks, your smoothie follows. The upgraded 6-leaf blade cuts deeper, finer, cleaner. Coffee beans, spices, baby food. One base, endless possibilities. Its compact body slips neatly under standard kitchen cabinets. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and crowded countertops. Cleanup feels effortless. Detach, rinse, or let dishwasher work. A quick self-cleaning swirl keeps the next blend fresh. ETL safety, 2-year warranty, and support bring real confidence. Click the product link in the description to learn more and check the latest price. Product 3, Ninja Portable Blender. Tired of bulky blenders slowing down your mornings? Meet Ninja Blast Max, your cordless smoothie sidekick. First reason, powerful ice-crushing performance. Anywhere you go. Frozen fruit, ice cubes, protein shakes, blast them fast. Second reason, twist-and-go vessel boosts portability. Blend, detach, and sip straight from the cup. Lighter carry, leak-proof design, and travel-friendly convenience. Third reason, 3 Auto IQ programs make blending effortless. Choose smoothie, crush, or blend with one touch. No guesswork, no accidental blends, just smart control. Need cleanup that matches your busy lifestyle? Dishwasher-safe parts and self-cleaning make it simple. Perfect for home, office, gym, or weekend trips. Upgrade your routine with Ninja Blast Max today. Visit the product link in the description for full details and today's best offer. Product 2, Ninja Nutri Blender Pro. My mornings were collapsing under a mountain of stubborn ingredients. Ice mocked my blender, berries laughed, and chaos ruled. Every shake turned chunky, every smoothie betrayed my expectations. I thought healthy drinks were impossible before work. Then I met the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro. Its 1100 peak watt motor hit like a kitchen thunderstorm. Ice vanished into snow in seconds. Fruits surrendered instantly. Auto IQ took over with one-touch pulsing, blending, and pausing. No guessing, no babysitting, no blending disaster. The Pro Extractor blades unlocked hidden nutrition from whole produce. Even tough skins and fibrous bits disappeared into smooth power. I blended directly into the 24-ounce cup. Spout lid on and I escaped with breakfast in hand. Check the product link in the description now. Product 1, Nutri Bullet Personal Blender. Can this blender make a healthy smoothie fast? Busy mornings demand nutrition, speed, and zero complicated cleanup. Meet the original NutriBullet built for everyday healthy wins. Powerful blades and 600 watts crush fruits and spinach. Add ingredients to the 24-ounce cup. Just push, twist, and blend. Start the timer now. In under 60 seconds, creamy smoothie magic appears. Watch nutrients transform into smooth, sippable fuel. No chunks, no fuss, just delicious results. The portable to-go lid makes mornings even easier. Twist off the blades, rinse or dishwasher clean. Simple, intuitive, and ready for daily use. For smoothies, shakes, and quick food prep, it delivers. Upgrade your routine with NutriBullet today. Click the product link in the description below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss our latest finds.